Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to integrate Zoom with ConvertKit quickly and easily. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't miss out on the free trial link in the description below. For those who already have an account, just log in and follow along with me. First, you'll need to set up a Zapier account. This is the tool that helps you connect ConvertKit with Zoom seamlessly. Once you're logged in, go to your Zapier dashboard, click on Create, and then select Zaps. If you need help while setting things up, don't worry. Zapier's Copilot feature will guide you through each step. Next, from the list of available apps, select both ConvertKit and Zoom, then enter the required details shown on the right side of your screen. To connect your ConvertKit account, click on Sign In. You'll need your API key for this. To find it, go to your ConvertKit account, navigate to Settings, then Developer Settings, and copy the secret key. Paste it into Zapier and click Yes, Connect to ConvertKit. Now, repeat this process to connect your Zoom account. Enter your Zoom login details when prompted, and your account will be linked in seconds. Once both accounts are connected, take a moment to configure your settings, such as adding attendees to your email list automatically when they register for a Zoom event. When everything looks good, click on Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it! You've successfully integrated Zoom with ConvertKit. If you'd like to grow your email list faster while earning high-ticket commissions, check out the free training program linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.